It turns out there is such a thing as the best pizza in the world. Pizza is polarizing. There are countless different styles, and everyone has their favorite. Margarita, grandma, barbecue chicken, even whatever this is. It may seem like the Wild West, but there actually are rules to this game, and we're on a hunt to define the most authentic slice of pizza out there. It's not Roman, it's not Sicilian, and no, it's certainly not from Chicago. It's from Naples, Italy. Which brings us to Roberto Caporuscio, the owner of Keste in downtown Manhattan and the premier authority on Neapolitan pizza in the United States.
Pizza is born in Naples. It's an incredible city. They have an incredible human being inside Naples. But the most important thing is that Naples is pizza for sure. So much history behind this food.
When the tomato was brought to Europe from the Americas in the 16th century, it was believed by many Europeans to be poisonous. However, by the late 18th century, it became common for poor Neapolitans to add tomato to their flatbread, and thus the first pizzas emerged. The pizza is inextricable from Neapolitan identity, so much so that in 2016, Naples held the Guinness World Record for the longest pizza in the world, with a pizza stretching over a mile long. Neapolitan pizza makers will go to extreme lengths to preserve their traditions, like Luca Arrigoni, who had to hoist a pizza oven through the air for his restaurant Sotto Casa in Brooklyn. And in December 2017, the pizza napoletana was inscribed on the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List. But any pizza is not a Neapolitan-style pizza by its own merits. The True Neapolitan Pizza Association has set very specific rules that must be followed for an authentic Neapolitan pizza. The pizza must be baked in a wood-fired domed oven, the base must be hand-kneaded, and the pizza must not exceed 13 inches in diameter or be more than 1/10 of an inch thick at the center. Pizza made its way across the Atlantic with the arrival of Italian immigrants in the late 19th century, and was very popular among large Italian populations in New York City, Chicago, and Philadelphia, eventually leading to the New York-style pizza, derived from the Neapolitan-style pizza made in Italy. But many of these pizzerias have lost their way. They serve an unhealthy, overly processed product that hardly resembles true pizza napolitana.
What is make good pizza in anywhere is the pizzaiolo.
He's the boss, baby.
So how do we ensure our pizza stays true to its Neapolitan roots?
Non-Neapolitan style. Pizza napoletana. Flowers come from Naples, the tomatoes come from Naples, and the oils come from Sicily. The American wheat is totally different than the Italian wheat. More high in protein and gluten. North America was production of the wheat, and they grow in 2 months, so it's very strong, powerful. In Italy, the wheat grow in 8 months, so it's more soft. It's very important to have it cook in 90 seconds. You have this kind of cook, but it's still soft. No soggy. If you have a Napoleon pizza soggy, it's ripe, it's bad Napoleon pizza. Very confusion about that. That is the rules we want to maintain.
In the end, it all comes down to honoring the traditions and practices of the very first Neapolitan pizza makers hundreds of years ago.
Pay attention to the history. Don't use the name just for marketing. Nobody owns the pizza. It's no other food in the world. Okay, for 300 years we make it the same way. Let's keep that. It's very unique.